Sid Miramontes here with Miramontes Capital's weekly market update. This week I want to discuss bonds. Bonds right now, with the markets being the way they are and the Fed looking at raising interest rates, or at least most of the experts expecting the Fed's going to raise interest rates, I want to discuss with you what types are the best bonds to buy depending on what's happening with interest rates. So typically when rates are starting to go up, if you want to protect your account and want to move into more conservative bonds, typically bonds on the lower end of the yield curve are the best bonds to buy. That just means that bonds that are the shorter term bonds are considered the lower end of the yield curve because they're lower as far as interest rates are concerned. So as you go up, typically the yield curve, or as you go longer, so short-term bonds are 0 to 2 years, excuse me. Intermediate bonds are normally 3 years to as long as 15 years. So that's higher on the yield curve. And long-term bonds are 15 to 30 years, which are yet higher in the yield curve. Normally, what ends up happening when interest rates are rising, the short-term bonds are going to be the best bonds to buy. And of course, if you're looking at moving your investments into more conservative investments and trying to protect your account a little more in these volatile times, well, shorter-term bonds are going to be probably going to be your best bet as far as in an interest rate rising environment. If, of course, interest rates are higher or super high, of course, that would be when you'd want to buy and lock into interest rates for long periods of time. So if rates are going higher and you want to buy the best bonds that would be suited to you, typically shortest term bonds would be the best in a rising interest rate environment. And when interest rates are going and are high already, well, you'd like to lock into, for a long period of time, you'd want to buy those 15 to 30 year type of bonds. So hopefully, if you have any questions, we can hear from you. Send us an email or give us a call. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're constantly putting out valuable information for you, and we look forward to catching up with you on the next one.